Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use new features, part of the Prodigy version 4.4 update, available as a free download to all Math Connect users. Today we will walk you through new features such as the New Books application. Previously, the only library that was available to our users was Bookshare. We are happy to introduce dozens of new international libraries that are specialized in ebooks and digital talking books for blind and low vision users. Please note that most libraries require proper credentials that must be approved before accessing their digital content. This usually requires the user to provide a disability certificate. All right, let's have a look into this new application, which essentially looks the same as before, but only provides access to more content. First, in your carousel, scroll over to Books. By default, the menu shows three items: My Books, My Subscriptions, which is essentially newspapers, magazines, and periodicals. And the third one is Manage Libraries. Let's go to Manage Libraries. Let's take a look at all the available books libraries. The ones you see with a check mark are the ones I've successfully authenticated with. Now let's have a peek at the magazines/newspapers providers. As soon as you select one, you're prompted to enter your credentials, which is a login and password that will be provided by the library. When you have established a successful login, all libraries will be saved to your home screen within the Books app. Let's pick Bookshare, for example. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's search the database for a book including the word wind. Out of the results list, I can load a quick preview of the book details, such as title, author's name, published date, synopsis. To download, simply click on the third icon, which is represented by a downward pointing arrow. Once the book is downloaded to your device, you can access this book directly from My Books section. Once the book is displayed on your screen, you may pinch and zoom the screen to enlarge the text or simply use the on-screen buttons. Access its table of content for navigating within different chapters. You may also activate the integrated text-to-speech feature to facilitate the reading experience. Now I'll simply show you other books that we have already downloaded to the tablet. Now, if the book you've downloaded was a digital talking book, the interface will provide you with the buttons to play, pause, and adjust the reading speed options. You may also use a table of content to navigate through the book. Now let's look into the second section of the Books application, which enables you to access magazines and newspapers from around the world. Loading a magazine or newspaper behaves the same as a regular book. Should you subscribe to a magazine which has several publications, You may download all of them or just the latest one. We hope you have enjoyed this quick overview of the New Books application and that you will enjoy hours of discovering content and brilliant authors. Make sure to check out our Prodigy tutorials on our YouTube channel to learn more about other features in this 4.4 release. Thank you for watching.